muna tayong at least 5 songs tapos. Yes! Okay, for our first song, Mr. DJ, hit the music. Alright, raise your hand kung sino yung pinaka... Pwede mo mag-iingaw. Raise your hand! Wave your hand, wave your hand. Sino yun? Hindi na wala na yung kay ma'am na. Okay. Ma'am! What is your name, ma'am? Ma'am Beth. What is your answer, ma'am? Title? Makarena. Tayo po kayo, mama. Mr. DJ Music. Siyempre, gagawin mo. Okay, ma'am. Hey! Alright, clap your hands for Ma'am Beth. Congratulations. Next, music, Mr. DJ. Wave your hand. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Quick plays game with my heart. Sasayaw yung dali mo yan. Alright, thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations. Alright, just hit the music. Ano ba yun? Oh, yes, ma'am, here, the right side. Ma'am, your name is? Ma'am Peachy. What is your answer, Ma'am Peachy? I saw this art is correct! Congratulations! Wala ba? Yung mga tumatak yan eh. Kaya binabalik tayo ng mga music ng panahon, no? Okay! Music! Next!
Number 5.
Wave your hand! Okay, here naman tayo. Dito naman tayo. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Your name is ma'am? Joy. Ma'am, what is your answer? Ma'am po number 6. Ma'am po number 5 is correct. Ma'am Joy, thank you so much. Alright, last song, Mr. DJ. Di na ako lalayo dito na ako kay sir. Sir, what is your answer? Time inside is correct!